The majority of people like to stay away from long distance relationships as they think that they never really work out. Many people, both boys and girls, don't like to take it too seriously. If you ask me, I would say that long distance relationships or LDR are never easy and demands more time, care and affection from both the partners. Even after that, distance makes a lot of things unachievable and out of your reach. There are a lot of emotional turns and breakdowns in a long distance relationship. However, long distance also makes the smallest of small things very special. These could be gestures of holding each other's hands and eating together at the same table. Yes, long distance relationships are tough, but they have their own bit of fun and surprises. In this video, I am going to disclose 12 ways by which you can enjoy a happy and satisfying long distance relationship with your boyfriend. Before I begin with the video, do you know that one instinct in a man's psychology which makes him decide whether he wants to spend the rest of his life with you or not? If you can learn to control that secret instinct, you will be among the 2% of women in the world who can control any man they want, whether they are her romantic partner or a friend. Download the free ebook from the link in the description box below to learn how you can be a high value woman which most men crave for. So, here are the 12 ways to have a happy long distance relationship with your boyfriend. Number 1. Set ground rules for the relationship. Both the partners need to be clear with what you expect of each other during this long distance relationship. Set some ground rules in your relationship so that none of you will do anything that may hurt the other partner or take the other party by surprise. For example, is it acceptable for you to go to parties with a man present there? Can you go out with your male friends? Can he go out with a girl or not? I strongly feel that boundaries should be set up before anyone gets into any romantic relationship. Number 2. There's no need for excess communication. Even if you are in an LDR, this doesn't mean that you have to be in a constant touch with your boyfriend. Some couples think that more calls and communication are needed to compensate for the distance, but that's really not true. You both have a life and should dedicate maximum time to your goals and passions. If you talk to him constantly, you both will get exhausted and tired of loving. Number 3. Be creative in the style of communication. Things can get pretty boring very soon in a long distance relationship. Soon, you get bored with the same old routine and lifestyle of your partner. Therefore, you need to get creative and send your pictures, videos and share memes to spice things up a little bit. By putting in this kind of effort, you make the other person feel loved and attended to. Number 4. Do various things together. You both can watch a movie or web series together at the same time. You can play games or go on video dates as well. All these things keep the relationship interesting. You can cook something which he likes and then place the phone on the table and enjoy candlelight dinner dates together. Number 5. Play a little naughty. Not only sex is a biological need, it's an emotional one as well. Sexual desire is like a glue that keeps both parties from drifting apart. You can send him teasing texts or provocative pictures which burn the flames of desire in him. I am not telling you to cross the line or do something which makes you uncomfortable. You can do whatever that's in your comfort zone. Number 6. Try to visit each other whenever you can. This point seems pretty obvious, but I had to include it. When you meet your partner after a very long time, fireworks lit up in you. You finally get to spend time together and love him the way you want. Meeting seems extra intimate for couples in a long distance relationship. Number 7. Work towards a goal in mind. What do we want to achieve at the end of the day? How long are we going to be apart? What about the future? These are the questions you two need to ask yourselves. This is a harsh truth, but no couple can be in a long distance for forever. Eventually, everyone needs to settle down. So, make a plan together and decide how you plan to spend the future together. It is important that you two are on the same page and have the same goals. A goal that is mutually decided works as an inspiration for both the partners to continue the relationship. Number 8. Know each other's daily routine. You should know when your partner must be busy and when he must be free. You would not like to disturb him when he is in the middle of a business meeting. Know the small and big events that are taking place in each other's lives. If you both live in different time zones, it gets important to plan a time when you both can talk to each other. Number 9. Deliver special gifts and hampers to him. In any special occasion, make sure that you send him something special. This could be a ring, fragrance, or a keychain. We often attach meanings to the little things and items found in our everyday life, whether knowingly or not. Human beings like to store memories in a physical format. This is why he will feel really special and will be overwhelmed by this gesture of yours. Number 10. Love letters work like a charm. What if one fine morning you receive a surprise letter from your boyfriend expressing how much he loved you? How would it feel? You can send these letters from time to time. You can even send flowers along with it. Make him feel special and he will make you feel special as well. Number 11. Stay positive. You need to be constantly injecting positive energy into the long distance relationship to keep it alive. Yes, the waiting can be painful and you can sometimes feel lonely, but you need to remind yourself that the fruits at the end will be sweet as heaven. One good trick to staying positive is to be grateful all the time. Be thankful that you have someone to love and someone who also loves you back. Number 12. Include more of video calls. Video calling is a life-saving feature of couples in long-distance relationship. You should try to talk to each other more often on a video call, as that brings people closer. You can get to know how he is looking, what he is wearing, and his exact face expressions when you tell him something. Looking into each other's eyes and hearing each other's voices can make everything feel alright and wonderful again. Are you in a long distance relationship currently? Do you promise to implement some of these tips and tactics in your relationship as well? Please share your experiences in a long distance relationship and I will try my best to reply to your questions or queries. If you want to discover a secret technique that makes any man treat you like a goddess and makes him completely obsessed with you, grab access to my free book from the link in the description box below. It discloses some of the secrets of love and obsession that you would not have heard anywhere before. It's free only for a limited period of time, so go and grab it till it's free. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. See you in the next video. Take care.